Hey, how's it going? I want to spend a couple minutes talking about the prompt for Project 3 because I'm giving you some options and I want you guys to understand the different directions that you can go. In this unit, we're obviously exploring how propagandistic language works, and we're also looking at how the mediums of communication can frame the very messages that we're sending. And so to those ends, I'm giving you different things to consider. There are actually three possibilities for your third project. The first possibility is what do I want to call it? The generic paper possibility. And it is quite possible that you guys could just write an analytical paper that would be anywhere between 5 and 6 pages, where you would choose a company or institution or organization, and you would analyze how that company, institution, or organization, or even individual uses propagandistic language or certain mediums of communication. And in your analysis, you would explore how that impacts the messages that they're sending. Now, an example of that would be something like British Petroleum. You could examine how they created this reputation management response to what happened with the oil spill. Although you could also go another direction and you could choose a company that actually develops a medium of communication. So think of something like Facebook or even Snapchat, and you could investigate how the use of that medium reframes the values that we have and also kind of reframes the behaviors that we then value in society. So this is a direction that you can go. You can just write a straightforward paper and you could choose a particular company, institution, or organization. For the more creative folks, you may want to think about not just writing 5 pages of analysis, but doing either option 2 or option 3. And in option 2, I would allow you to actually create your own company or your own institution. And you could spend a couple of those pages now drafting some of the marketing materials, actually employing some of the propagandistic language, or you could think about drafting materials via a specific medium. And so for the first part of your project, you'd create this company, and then you'd provide maybe 3 pages or so that would do the analysis of what you've just created. And the third option works similarly, although in this case, I'd ask you to think specifically about the world of Fahrenheit 451. And how could you create a company in that world that would be effective? And so you could create the marketing materials for that company, and then you would provide the analysis. In all 3 cases, whether you go down the first road, the second road, or the third road, you're thinking about how propaganda and or medium of communications impact the way that information is delivered. So think about those 3 right now. Take a look at the prompt that I've posted and start brainstorming Project 3. If you have questions, let me know. Take care.